All right, guys. It's been a while since we've been cooking in the kitchen. We got some crazy news for you. But we're grilling up some filet mignon, asparagus with some peppers. I've got my butter here. So just do a light drizzle on top. It's got red pepper flakes, peppercorn, and garlic. And then the rub on the steak, we just do it simple. Black lava salt and black peppercorn. Beautiful, sunny vibes from Arizona. This is actually going to be one of our last dinners here in Arizona. So we are headed to North Carolina to live right on the coast and just enjoying some JCB wine from Napa. If you've never had JCB before, I definitely recommend it. So let's get into grilling and enjoy closing out 2023 here in Arizona. All right, got the veggies just grilling. You can see the filet mignon, nice and crispy on the side. Slow heat for probably about 15 minutes or so. Just want a nice medium color. A little bit of butter. Bon appetit.